What are you doing, Kate?
It's okay.
It's okay.
He's doing that.
It's alright.
What are you painting?
This glass.
For what?
Painting this glass.
Painting the glass. Who are you painting it for?
For you. See.
Is it a present? For what?
For your picture.
For what picture?
For putting a picture in it.
Good job, you did that whole side.
Now we're going to do this.
Not yet. We gotta let the paint dry. We gotta paint it all up and let it dry.
No, see, this is stick.
Uh-huh. So they stick on the side. Can you show me what it is?